Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys some very exciting news, something that I have been keeping a secret for more than almost 6 months, and it's super exciting for us. As you guys know, we live in a different state from our family. We don't have family or friends here, and yeah, we just purchased our first home, and it's a new build, which is super exciting. Like I told you, it's taken 5 to 6 months, and I've kept it a secret from my family. Just yesterday we were able to tell our family that we purchased our first home, and it's a new build, and it's something super exciting for us, a family of three. um I'm gonna show you guys a house tour, and let me tell you, this house is 5 bedrooms, 3 bath, and it has a huge yard. I think I missed posting a tour of the yard. I will have that up some other time. Yesterday's weather was not the best. It was super cold. I think it was about 35 where we were, 35 degrees, and to us it's super cold, so I couldn't really go outside and film the yard. But this tour, I don't talk in this house tour because I did want to post this in my Spanish channel as well. So you will see that the first floor is, you will see, you walk in and there's a formal dining room. Then you see the stairs to the second floor, and you see a little hallway. You see the kitchen. The kitchen is small, and we are planning on doing our own upgrades. My husband and I are taking on this DIY, or just hiring people to do it for us, because we knew that it was going to be a little more expensive if we had upgrades with the builder. So we decided to leave it as is, give us the house as is, and yeah, it's gonna be a very special journey for us. It's gonna be exciting, and I want you guys to come along. And I just wanted to give you guys a little formal intro to the house. And like I said, you will see the first floor is just a formal dining room, kitchen, dining room, living space, and a bathroom and a closet downstairs, and the garage and the laundry room. And you will also see 1 bedroom downstairs, but that one we plan on turning it into the media room, like a TV room. And the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms, a huge master, you guys. This is by far, we saw so many homes. Let me tell you, we saw more than, I would say, 100 homes. And this is the home that my husband was like, I really love the bedroom. The bedroom is huge. It has a huge bedroom. I feel like, are we even gonna be able to fill the space, you know? um and it has a really nice master bathroom, a nice master closet, which is something my husband was looking for. You would think I would be looking for that, but it was him. But yeah, you guys, we're super excited to share this special journey with you guys, and I hope you guys come along with us moving. We're not gonna move until a month later, because we have a lease here in this apartment, so before we end the lease. But yeah, you guys, we're super excited with the house. I'm gonna take you guys when we move, our first night there. It's gonna be exciting projects, how we're gonna do our yard, how we're gonna do our kitchen, how we're gonna do the floors, because we plan on doing hardwood floors or different floors, because the house has carpet throughout, and we know that with a 3-year-old that's gonna be a little difficult. So we want hardwood floors. So hopefully you guys come along in that project with us. And I just wanted to share with you guys how exciting it is to share this very special moment with you guys. By no means am I showing off. By no means am I boasting, or you know, I want you guys to know that this is hard work, that if you work hard, you can have whatever you want. And if you know how to save too, you can have whatever you want. And yeah, some people do it when they're 20, 30, 40. We did it at our time. God's timing is perfect for us, and this is our time. And I'm super excited that we can do this for my son. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yes, okay, watch.
Pantry. Master. Master bedroom. It's huge. Grande.